Jack Chapman with Auto Repair Shop Success. Today we're going to talk technician PARs. Now this is going to be the basics for production PARs, and I'll do a separate video about how to fine-tune this using efficiency. For this, we're going to go back to our business plan for the year. Let's say we're shooting for 1.8 million. From there, you need to determine what your labor mix is. Let's just say we have a 50-50 split. So 900,000 needs to come from labor. We then take that number and divide it by 51. We use 51 to assume 7 close holidays per year, and we roughly get 17,647. Divide that again by your labor rate using $150 for round numbers. And if you're not sure how to get labor mix or effective labor rate, reach out to me. We have a tool that'll help with that. But that gives us an average of 117.65 build hours per week of production needed. So with the average tech working 40 hours per week, we need at least 3 efficiently performing techs to reach this goal. Join us again next week when we talk GS techs. I hope you're using this content and sharing it with friends. We love the comments and sharing that keeps happening. Reach out to us if you're having any trouble with planning. And as always, we can't wait to see you.